In this video, I'll guide you through how to link your Twitter pixel to your Substack publisher account. By the end, you'll have your tracking set up so you can better understand how your audience is coming from Twitter and how they interact with your publication. First, make sure you're already logged into your Substack account in your browser. It also helps to have your Twitter pixel ID handy from your Twitter ads account so you're not hunting for it in the middle of the process. Let's start on the Substack homepage. Open your browser and go to substack.com. If you're not automatically taken to your dashboard, log in using your usual credentials, and then navigate to the publication you want to connect with your Twitter pixel. Once you're on the main dashboard for that publication, you're in the right place. Next, look for the settings area. You'll usually find a settings option in the main navigation menu, often on the left-hand side or near the top, depending on your layout. Click on Settings to open up all the configuration options for your publication. This is where you manage everything from your branding to payments, but for now, we're just interested in analytics. Inside the settings, you'll see a list of different sections. Scroll down through this page until you find the section labeled Analytics. This might be grouped together with other integrations or tracking tools. So take your time and scroll slowly if you don't see it immediately. Once you spot analytics, go ahead and click it. That will open the area where you can connect different tracking pixels and analytics services. On the analytics page, you should see fields or options for adding external tracking codes. Look for the specific field that mentions Twitter pixel. This is typically a simple text box where you paste in your Twitter pixel ID. If you're not sure what that ID looks like, you can quickly check in your Twitter ads or Twitter pixel setup page in another tab. It's usually a string of numbers associated with your ad account. Now, enter your Twitter pixel ID carefully into the Twitter pixel field. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end, and double check that you haven't accidentally added any extra characters. A clean, accurate ID is important so the connection works correctly. Once you've entered the ID, look for a Save or Update button on the page and click it to apply your changes. Substack will store that ID and begin using it to send relevant events and traffic data to your Twitter pixel. After saving, it's a good idea to test that everything is working. You can do this by visiting your live Substack publication in another tab and performing a simple action like viewing a page or signing up with a test email, and then checking your Twitter ads dashboard to confirm that events are being received. Sometimes it can take a little while for data to appear, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly. And that's all it takes. You've gone to Substack, opened your settings, found the analytics section, and entered your Twitter pixel ID. With that connection in place, you'll be able to track how Twitter users are interacting with your Substack content and use that insight to refine your growth and marketing efforts.